Before you take another laxative, watch this video because constipation is often not caused by a lack of medicine. It is caused by daily mistakes in food, water, stress, and lifestyle. And correcting them can change your gut health completely. So let's begin. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Priyanka Mangla Agarwal, homeopathic physician, nutrition and lifestyle expert. And today we are going to talk about a problem that affects people of all ages, that is constipation. Many people think constipation simply means not passing stool every day, but that's not always true. Even if you're passing stools daily, but if you have a strain, or if the stool is hard, or if you feel that your stomach hasn't completely cleared, that is also constipation. The good news is your body often gives you the solution. You just need to support it properly. So let's discuss how. So number one, drink enough water. The first thing I look at when someone complains of constipation is their hydration. Water helps produce digestive juices. It keeps the food moving smoothly through the intestines, and most importantly, it softens the stool. So when you don't drink enough water, the colon starts absorbing water from the stool, and as a result, the stool becomes dry, hard, and difficult to pass. So aim for approximately 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day. Don't drink it all at once. Sip it regularly throughout the day. And if you drink tea, coffee, or green tea frequently, remember to increase your water intake again. Number two is increase fiber in your diet. Think of fiber as nature's womb. It helps clean and move waste through your digestive system. And there are two types of fiber. One softens the stool, the other adds bulk and helps it move forward. Both are important. Include foods like oats, jowar, bajra, ragi, whole pulses, beans, fresh fruits, green leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds. So, small improvements in fiber intake often produce remarkable improvements in your bowel performance. Number three is reduce packaged foods. So, let me ask you a question. How often do you eat food that comes from a packet instead of your kitchen? So, most packaged foods are low in fiber, but they are high in refined flour, salt, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. So, these foods slow digestion and contribute to constipation. So your digestive system prefers simple, fresh, home cooked meals. The closer your food is to the natural form, the happier your gut tends to be. So number four is don't avoid healthy fats. Many people are afraid of fats, but healthy fats actually support healthy bowel movements. So without enough healthy fats, your stools become dry and hard. Healthy fats provide natural lubrication and support metabolism. Include healthy sources of fats as nuts, seeds, coconut, and other wholesome fat sources in moderation. Remember, balance is the key. Number five is natural remedies that may help is along with a healthy diet. Certain traditional remedies may provide support, like soaked black raisins are often helpful. Fruits are another natural option. A cup of warm milk with ghee at bedtime helps some individuals. Ginger tea, trifla is again traditionally used to promote bowel movement regularly. But remember, no remedy can compensate for poor daily habits. The foundation is always your nutrition and your lifestyle. Number six is move your body every day. Your intestines love movement. When your body moves, your digestion system moves too. So you don't need complicated workouts. Even a brisk 30 minutes of walk can help. Walking, cycling, jogging, swimming, or yoga all support better bowel function. Consistency matters more than the intensity. So number seven is avoid exercising immediately after the meals. After eating, your body wants to focus on digestion. Maybe exercise immediately after the meal may interfere with the digestive process. Allow your body some time. Let the digestion begin before engaging in strenuous activity. Your stomach will thank you for it. Number eight is manage your stress. This is one of the most overlooked causes of constipation. Your brain and your gut are closely connected. When stress levels increase, digestion often slows down. This can lead to constipation, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. Deep breathing, meditation, prayer, music, nature walks, and the hobbies which you enjoy can all help reduce the stress. A calmer mind often creates a healthier gut. So, if you are struggling with constipation, focus on these five things. Drink enough water, eat more fiber, include healthy fats, exercise regularly, and manage your stress. They may sound like simple changes, but simple habits, when practiced consistently, can create powerful results. Remember, Your digestive system responds to what you do every day, not just to what you take occasionally. I'm Dr. Priyanka Mangla Agarwal, and if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Daily Sehat Dose. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy and stay ready. And take care of your gut.